Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of this cool mist humidifier from Aquaoasis, like this one. I got it on Amazon. It says dry air relief, 2.2 liter large capacity, virtual silence, 12 to 24 hour working time, automatic shut out, lifetime warranty and wide range coverage. Okay, let's open it. And I've got it on Amazon. Let's see. Yeah, but finally it wasn't that easy. Register your lifetime warranty, text lifetime. Just this thing. When it opens, like so, and here is some manual. Has to be operated with water tank. Do not inhale, drink, or drink the cleaning agent. When the unit is in operation, do not touch the water in the water tank in any way. Away from furniture and electric appliances. Keep the unit away from heat sources and sunlight. And here it says what to do. So I take it off. Here. That's it. So let's remove it from this plastic. So here in the thingy it has something like this. So I guess this I put on top. And it comes with this. Guess I put it together like so. Like so. It says do not put essential oil into a tank. I thought I would put here. It has low and high. I mean power. Low. Here are some degree of it. This I guess I put on top. Yeah, like so. extended. So I place this humidifier and I turn it on. This is how it produces this cool mist. It's indeed cool. Do you see this thing? The water is like jumping. I hope that this is how it's supposed to be. And here you can make it higher. Wow. That's fun. I will put on this the lowest. That's cool. And I fill it only 1 liter, not even. And water levels here. I've got a TJ Maxx this essential oil, but it's not gonna run with this humidifier, but it looks like this. They were like $10. Let's open them. Very nice box too. Oh, nice. And it comes with 6. One is eucalyptus, for example, another is lavender. Lemongrass, young, orange and peppermint. I have different humidifier here. It's just diffuser. Cheap from dollar store, which is just for $1. And here I can put a few drops of this eucalyptus one. Yeah, smell nice, and I will put a few drops here. Also, another one. I have this one, for example. I don't know how it smells. Let's see. Nice. That's interesting, like in those Indian stores. Smells. Or some perfumes. Let's see how it smells. Lemongrass. Lemongrass is nice smell. Yeah, it smells really fresh, so I add a few of those here in my cheap $1 diffuser from dollar store. Okay. can also do massage therapy with them, and you can also use them with some diffusers or with candles, but not this one. So I will put this one here. And press button. And yes, here it comes air. It smells don't like that essential oils. Nice. So that's the cheap one, but you can also use candles, or you can use it in aromatherapy with some other oil and massage, or you can use it with some other diffusers, but I don't have. I thought this one that I showed you will be allowed to use with essential oils, but it says on it do not put, so we'll have to look around. I will later try it on. See you later.